Hi, I'm Samantha from Bathroom Pros, New Jersey, and congratulations on your new shower. I just wanted to go over a few tips for cleaning and maintaining your new shower. For my first tip, please don't use any scouring pads or abrasive cleaners. It will dull the surface of the walls. You can use Dawn dish detergent, Formula 409, or a half a cup of bleach per gallon of water with a non-abrasive sponge to clean the walls. For best results, use a dry cloth or a squeegee after showering. Be sure to clean your glass every few weeks. Use a damp cloth and a mild detergent such as Dawn. Avoid the use of any abrasives or water spot removers. Please do not use vinegar or acid-based cleaners when cleaning your shower enclosure. Some of our approved cleaning products are Windex with no vinegar, spray away, or scrubbing bubbles. Avoid reversing the doors. The water can get in the track and it can also get on the floor. For a full breakdown of cleaning recommendations, please see the attachments in this email. Once again, congratulations on your new bathroom. I hope you love it, and thank you for choosing our company, Bathroom Pros of New Jersey.